Hello everyone, welcome to Something of Everything. In this video, we will see how to use Zerodha kite application. I presume that you have opened an account in Zerodha and installed the Zerodha kite application. Once you have installed the kite application, you can log into it. The first tab below are the 5 tabs from which you can operate the Zerodha kite application. The first one is watch list. What does watch list do? If you can see, it shows tabs on the above in which you can add the stocks for your watch list. Means you can track the stocks through these different lists. To add any stock to the list, just search that stock. Let us say Infosys. This NSE means National Stock Exchange, BSE means Bombay Stock Exchange. If you want to trade in BSE, you have to add that. If you want to trade in NSE, you have to add that one. Once the both has been come, and in the main window also, watch list window also, it shows that the stock added is of NSE or BSE. Once you click on the stock, it will show you the information about the stock. The price of the stock is 1605.5. You have two options, to buy or sell. You can see the chart of that as well. You can create alert for that. You can create GTT for that, and it shows the market depth. If the market is open, it will show the depth. Depth means the buyers and sellers with their quantities can be seen here, so that you can know how much is the demand and supply of that stock. It shows the open, high, low, previous close data also. It shows the volume, average traded price, etc. in the below. If you want to see further fundamentals of the stock, just click on the fundamentals. It will open the overview, events, the small case basket of that stocks, and news items related to that stocks. Let us not go into that. If you want to see the technicals of that stock, just click on technicals and it will show all the technicalities of the stock, weighted average, moving average, RSI, etc. Stock market is a huge sea in which you have to sell, and you can pin this stock to spot 1 and spot 2. Let us see what is spot 1 and 2. If you click on the down arrow at the top right corner, you will see Nifty 50, Nifty Bank. You can be different from this. This Nifty 50 is spot 1, Nifty Bank is spot 2. If you want to track some stock easily, so that you can get the idea fast, you can spot that stock to top. It shows your funds below that. So this is what the watch list is. If you want to filter this watch list, just click on the filter button in the right side of search, and it shows that you can filter it by NSE or BSE alphabetically, or percentage change in the day, or the last traded price. If I click on NSE, it will only show me the stocks of NSE, and it also shows the red dot at that filter. That shows that the list has been filtered. Now let us see in the order tab what you can get. In order tab you get 4 tabs, that is open tab, executed tab, GTT tab and IPO tab. Let us go from IPO. In IPO tab it will show you which are the future or previous IPOs that you can apply for. It shows that Uniparts and all are closed. That means the IPO has been completed. The latest IPO is PNGS Gargi Fashion Jewelry Limited. That is coming from 8th to 13th and at the rupees 30. You can just click on apply and you can go to the application process. Besides it is GTT. It shows good till triggered. That means you can add any stock with the price until that price come. The order will not trigger, and once that price comes, order will get triggered and your stock can be bought or sold. If you have some stocks and you want it to have the stop loss until it gets hitted, you can do the good till triggered order in that. If you can see, it will be showing me the single order, sell order, and it is active. The trigger shall be at -30. That means if the stock gets 30% less down, the order will be triggered. In executed order, any order that you have executed today will be seen. In open order, you have ordered any stock item, but it has not been executed. It will be seen in the open orders. In your portfolio, you can see the positions. The positions are the one that you have bought or sold today. In holdings, it will be seen that the stocks that you have bought earlier and are in your trading account. As you can see, it is showing that ITC, and above that it is showing 56 quantity. T1 is 27. That means 56 quantity has been bought before 3 days, and T1, that means 27 items, 27 ITC stocks has not yet been delivered to my demat account. That means it is still pending for the settlement. Below that it is showing that Sanghi Cement T1 3, that means 3 stocks will be delivered to my demat account in 3 days. Besides this, there is tools account. It shows that basket, SIPs and alert. You can create the basket in which you can place multiple stocks at once, and a trigger thing. Once the trigger happens, all the stocks will be bought. You can create SIPs in this, and it will be buying the stocks each day of SIP that you have done. Just like the mutual funds, you can do the stock SIP yourself. And in alerts, if you have made any alert to the stock, that means if you want ITC to be at 350 and you want to buy ITC at 355, let us say, if ITC goes over 355, you want to buy ITC, you can create the alert, new alert. You can add the stock, you can add the price, etc, etc. We will go in deep in future. In this last, that is your profile account, in which you can see your funds, you can see your app code, you can see your profile, you can see the settings by which you can operate this application. In console, all the items related to your trading account will be seen. You can see the connected apps which can be used along with Kite for better experience. You can invite your friends and get all the other things. So this was the Kite overview. We will go in deep in each and every aspect of ordering, tracking, alerts, GTT, etc. in the future videos. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe the same. Thank you.